What if I told you that there are people out there making anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 every single month without showing their face, without buying any equipment, and without working a 9-to-5 job? And what if I told you that the channel you are watching right now is built using this exact method? Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step system to build your own YouTube automation channel from scratch using nothing but free AI tools and a laptop. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start today. Before we get into it, comment right now and tell me, have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but never did because you did not want to show your face? I read every single comment and I want to know. Let us get into it. First, let me explain exactly what YouTube automation is, because most people misunderstand this term completely. YouTube automation does not mean you press a button and videos appear magically. What it means is that every single part of the video creation process, the script, the voiceover, the visuals, the editing, the thumbnail, and the SEO, is handled using AI tools and a repeatable system. You are not doing creative guesswork every day. You are running a content production system. And once that system is set up, and I will show you exactly how to set it up today, you can produce one high-quality video every single day in 2 to 3 hours or less. That is the automation. The system is the automation. Now let me show you exactly why YouTube is one of the best platforms to build income on in 2025. Unlike social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, where your content disappears after 24 to 48 hours, YouTube videos keep earning for years. A video you upload today can still be getting views and generating ad revenue 3 years from now. YouTube pays creators through its partner program, which means every time someone watches your video and sees an ad, you earn money. Creators in niches like AI, finance, and technology earn between $10 and $25 per 1,000 views. That means a video with 100,000 views can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 from a single video that keeps earning every single month.
Now let me walk you through the exact step-by-step system. Step 1 is choosing your niche. The best niches for YouTube automation right now are AI tools and technology, personal finance and investing, self-improvement and productivity, health and wellness, and make money online strategies. I personally recommend AI tools and technology for anyone starting in 2025. New AI tools are being released every single day. You will never run out of content ideas. The audience is massive and growing. And the advertisers in this space pay premium rates, which means higher earnings per view for you. Step 2 is setting up your channel. Go to YouTube and create a new channel with a clean professional name that reflects your niche. Add a professional banner, write a clear channel description, and fill in every single field in your channel settings. Step 4 is understanding how YouTube monetization works. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. Once you hit these numbers, you apply. YouTube reviews your channel, and if approved, you start earning from ads on every video. The key to hitting these numbers fast is consistency. Uploading one video every single day compounds dramatically. After 30 days, you have 30 videos working for you. After 60 days, you have 60 videos. Each video is a new entry point for someone to discover your channel. The creators who hit monetization fastest are not the ones with the most talent. They are the ones who show up every single day without missing. Step 5 is maximizing your earnings beyond just ad revenue. Ad revenue is just the beginning. You can also earn through affiliate marketing by recommending AI tools in your video descriptions and earning a commission every time someone signs up through your link. Tools like Eleven Labs, Jasper, and Canva all have free affiliate programs paying 20 to 40% recurring commission. You can also earn through channel memberships, super thanks where viewers tip you directly, and eventually through brand sponsorships. A channel with 10,000 subscribers in the AI niche can realistically earn $3,000 to $8,000 per month combining all of these income streams together. Step 6 is the most common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1 is inconsistency. Missing even one day breaks your momentum. Mistake number 2 is ignoring SEO. Your title, description, and tags are how YouTube finds your video. Always research keywords before uploading. Mistake number 3 is making videos too short. Videos under 8 minutes cannot have mid-roll ads, which cuts your earnings by more than half. Mistake number 4 is not promoting your videos after uploading. Share every video on Reddit, Facebook groups, and WhatsApp immediately after uploading. Here is the truth that nobody tells you when you start. The first 30 days are the hardest. You will upload videos and see very few views. You will wonder if it is working. It is working. You are building a system. You are training the algorithm. You are creating an asset. Every single video you upload is a piece of content that will be on the internet forever, earning for you, growing for you, compounding for you. The creators who quit after 2 weeks never find out what would have happened at week 12. The ones who stay consistent are the ones who wake up one day and realize their channel is earning more than their day job. This channel you are watching right now was built using this exact method. If this video gave you value, subscribe right now because I post one new money-making strategy every single day. Comment below and tell me, are you going to start your YouTube automation channel today? And watch the next video on screen right now. It covers the next way to earn money using AI and you do not want to miss it.